Welcome to Colombia! Welcome, wonderful people all over the world. My name is Frank, I'm Swiss and I run a tour operator in Bogota, Colombia. Today I'm going to show you the Septima, the 7th Avenue here in Bogota, and it's a Sunday and it's a long weekend. Tomorrow is also off on a Monday. And we will start here on the Plaza Bolivar, the Bolivar Square. As you can see here, the Justice House and the Mayor's Building, it's covered, currently protected because sometimes there are manifestations and they're throwing color packages. So yeah, this is normal here in Bogota. So we will start here on the Septima on a Sunday. Lots of people, and you will see there's lots of food, lots of people, lots of chaos. So I want to show you that you have an impression of this place, that you can decide to come here or not. And you will see outdoor performance, people dancing. And what you also will see is street performance. So what you can do, you can throw some money, some coin, and then they will move, as you can see. And for the kids it's great, and also for everybody who likes that. And you will see some really crazy stuff. Sometimes it's even more packed than now and more music. At the moment it's more or less relaxed, I can tell, because I already came here in the past where it was like, no, almost impossible to move. But right now it's okay. Oh yeah, this guy is like always here on the weekends, pretty cool. Ah, yeah, this is what I wanted to show you. The predator. There's only one predator. Sometimes there's a huge family of predators, like 5 of them. And the good thing is the Septima, it's a pedestrian street, and also during the week. So you always can walk here during the week. It's much quieter, not so many people, not so much food, some street artists, but not that many. So I like it much more during the week, but on the weekends you can see everything and everybody. It's just crazy. Look at this. I mean, this guy, he brought like everything. Oh, we have live music, live foods, and usually don't see so many foreigners here. It's really a Colombian thing. It's right here next to La Candelaria, the historic part, and you really see so much street art, performance, all kinds of stuff. And here's more street art, construction worker, whatever. So it's like every 5 meters you have some street artists. And if you can see that people are looking at me, it's not because of the camera, it's because I look like a foreigner and I'm taller as most people, so this is why yeah, people see me and they look at me. So we have more food here. I actually never tried that food. I think I tried hot dogs. But the sausages and stuff, it does not smell so inviting, so I never tried it so far. Okay, so we are on the Halloween corner here with a witch and skeleton. Very interesting. Here you can buy self-protection and electrify attackers.
Para aliviar esos dolores y enfermedades como
So there are not that many street artists. Okay, we have the screaming baby. Sometimes we have so many people here around that screaming baby. I personally find it quite annoying, but yeah, sometimes many people stay around and look, and sometimes none. But he's like here every weekend. Screaming baby is like cult here. Now we are getting to the Gold Museum Transmilenio station, and this is a very important point. You have a crossing here, so you have the buses, the Transmilenio, driving here, and also this building here, very important building historically, and it's kind of a landmark because it's El Tiempo. This is one of the biggest newspapers, or even the biggest newspaper in Colombia, and this has like cult status with the clock up there, El Tiempo, and as you can see, also some dots, color dots. And here you go up to La Candelaria. So let's go ahead. So here we have the National Bank, Banco de la República. Hey Colombia traveler! Do not miss out on the great additional information we always provide below in the description sections of all our videos. Now back to the video. So let's keep walking. Over here, more stuff to buy, more food. In Colombia, actually, you will never die of hunger. There's always enough food everywhere.
Hello, amigo Venezuela.
Gracias, amigo. You also can buy bonsais. Very interesting. So we're now passing the Gold Museum, which is over there. You go over the square. And we will actually walk until the 19th Street, la 19. And right in front of me, there's also a landmark of the city. It's the Avianca Tower. Avianca is the biggest airline in Colombia, and everybody knows this tower, Edificio Avianca. So you can buy books, LPs, pictures, kitchen stuff. And also here in the Avianca Tower, there's a San Alberto, and for the ones that made tours with me to the coffee triangle, they know San Alberto coffee from Buena Vista in the department of Quindío, one of the most beautiful places and coffee farms you actually can visit. Very professional, great coffee, and so they have a coffee shop here. It's very nice. Also to hang out, drink a coffee. Great place. So it's actually a pedestrian street until the 26th Street, which is also called El Dorado, and this road goes until the airport, and almost until there, it's all pedestrian. So also during the week, you can walk everywhere. You have lots of shops on the left and the right hand side. Still, since the pandemic, some stuff is closed. Not all the shops opened again, or the locals at least, because the pandemic was devastating. So you see dogs that don't need to walk alone, like a baby. That's unbelievable. Yeah, I mean, you do not always see crazy stuff, but sometimes you see like super crazy stuff here, like super crazy. It's so Colombia. So you have outlet stores. Don't believe in outlet. This stuff is usually produced for outlet, so it's actually cheap material, worse quality. So don't go into outlet stores and buy stuff. So here it becomes really quiet. People buying beer. Here again, you have some fruit. So you will never starve in Colombia. Never. Food is so big because it's a cultural. It's because Colombia is an agriculture country. We produce so much food. There's everything. So this is also why it's part of the culture that you can find food everywhere. Oh, that smells bad, like pork. Yeah, they say hola gringo. So still, Colombia is very virgin, and there are still many people that haven't seen foreigners in their life, or just very few. So as you can see here, I don't know, I saw maybe 5 foreigners so far, and that's the point. Colombia is still very virgin in tourism, in foreigners visiting the country, and that's why our people are still very excited when they see foreigners, and they love it. They love to have the country now receiving foreigners. They're really proud of it, because it also shows the big change we had in the last decade here in Colombia. So here we get to the 19th Street, and here it's actually also where it ends, our tour for La Séptima. I will walk up here now and go back home. So it was not that crazy as other times, but some fun stuff to see. So if you like being in the crowd, then I can recommend you coming here. You can do that on a tour with your guide, or you can do it by yourself. Just make sure there is some pickpocketing. People will yell, they will call you, they will say hello. Some with good intentions, maybe also it might happen people with not that good intentions. Just take it easy, enjoy it, and you will have a good time here on the Septima. You actually can then walk further all the way down until the 26th Street. No issue. It's like a Sunday plan for many people and for families. So that's it for today. I wish you all the best wherever you are. I hope I see you soon back on my channel again, or even better here in Colombia. Take care. This is Colombia Frank. Bye bye.